Welcome to Update Bowling Green. I'm Jen Edwards. In today's edition, we'll discuss fence permits in the city limits. If you live in the city limits of Bowling Green, a permit is required prior to construction of a fence or any other permanent structure on your property. Permits are required so city staff can review and ensure drainage easements are not being encroached upon prior to construction. Placing structures such as fences, sheds, and retaining walls in easements may cause flooding or property damage and is prohibited by City Ordinance. Placing a permanent structure in a drainage easement will result in removal and possible fines. Drainage easements are a portion of your property dedicated to managing stormwater runoff. Anywhere water flows or ponds in your neighborhood may be considered easements. Permits are free for fences 7 feet and under, have a quick turnaround, and are easy to apply for. For more information on fence permits, please call 270-393-3628 or visit bgky/ncs/building/permits. You're watching Update Bowling Green.